Hey guys, in today's video I'll be talking about why I decided to buy a 2007 Ford Ranger and why I think you should buy one too. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more content just like this, and check out the other Ranger videos that I created that are on the channel. Some videos include some new tires I just got, a little review I did not too long ago, a couple how-to videos with things that have gone wrong with it. Definitely check out that playlist, and hopefully you enjoy the video, and let's get started. So one reason why I decided to buy a Ford Ranger pickup truck was obviously I was in the market for a new vehicle because I had a prior vehicle. I had a Scion FRS that ended up dying on me, sadly, so I needed something that was cheap, relatively affordable, and relatively reliable. And I've had multiple Fords in the past that included a F-150, a Ford Fusion, and I also had a Mustang. Maybe I could even get a F-150 again, but I didn't really want to pay the outrageous gas price that came with the F-150, so I decided to look at the Rangers. I always knew that the Ford Rangers were pretty reliable. I mean, the sales just tell it all. I don't think you could ever leave the house and not see at least one Ford Ranger out on the road driving around. So they were a high volume seller. Lots of people owned them. They're still on the road. So obviously that tells you something about them. Second reason why I got a Ford Ranger, it comes in a manual transmission. I think that's so freaking cool. I mean, save the manuals. Let's go. When I found mine and found out with the listing that it came with a 5-speed manual, I was so stoked. Could not believe it. So that's freaking awesome. Third reason why I decided to go with my Ford Ranger that I found was it came in 4-wheel drive. A 5-speed manual with 4-wheel drive, that's pretty dang cool. So that is just the ultimate combination in my opinion. And yes, I have put that 4-wheel drive to use since I used to live in Michigan. I live down here in Tennessee, but when I lived in Michigan, I did take it through the snow and just used it, as a daily driver, what I use it for every day. I used it as a daily driver in the snow, and it worked out amazing. This thing is a freaking beast.
Fire, bro. Fire.
For the fourth reason why I decided to go with getting a Ford Ranger was the ride quality and just overall ease of drivability of this vehicle is pretty good, especially for it being a truck. It rides fairly smooth. You sit pretty high off the ground, and this does have the off-road FX4 package, so it does give you that little bit of a factory lift. I'm not sure exactly how far off the ground it is or what kind of lift it offers compared to the models that don't have the factory lift. But anywho, this truck, the ride quality, it's pretty dang impeccable. I love it. The way it drives, I don't know. There's just something about getting behind the wheel of this truck and just driving it. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I don't ever want to get rid of this truck. It's great. And the fifth reason why I decided to get this Ford Ranger was just how simple it is. It's got the 4-liter single overhead cam engine, V6, the 5-speed manual, just your standard transmission. It's got 4-wheel drive, but on the inside is where it gets pretty interesting. It looks pretty good on the outside, but the inside, I just love how simple it is. There's no power door locks, no power mirrors, no power seats, no power windows. You do get air conditioning and heat, so that's pretty cool. The stereo system, I'm gonna tell you right now, it straight up blows. Like it sucks. It's not good at all. It's just so simple. It's just a nice place to be. You get one trip A that shows up on the dashboard when you hit the little button on the gauge cluster, and then you get your mileage, the car's mileage. And, you know, literally that's it. This thing is just so simple. I love the looks of it on the outside and the simplicity on the inside. It's just everything you need and nothing you don't. It's great. I love it. So those are a few reasons why I decided to get a Ford Ranger, and if you're looking into getting one, check out my other videos that are on the channel. Hope you subscribe after watching the video and you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. Check out the channel. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and until next time, take care.